Hello everybody, this is my camera and I'm going to get you another look at my global door closer. See? It's global. And I did some work to it because last couple of times I filmed this, it was sticking, but it wasn't that bad. It was noisy. And I'll show you what I did in a second, what I did to fix it. Watch this door close from the outside. Yeah, what I did was, this hinge has I loosened the screws a little bit in this hinge. Then, down here, I did the same thing. See? I loosened them up a little bit to help it latch. So I'll show you what the hinges do. See? Watch. Try to get a focus. The hinge moves. See? Same with this hinge down here. See, when I open the door, it sucks in. See? Watch. When the door shuts, the hinge moves in conjunction with the door. I did that and it's been working for a while. But that's fine. One more look. Time. Alright, that's it.